Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the power button board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Remove the 2mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the display enclosure. Remove the power button board from the alignment pins and retention tab on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Tow the power button board under the retention tab and lower it onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the 2mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the display enclosure. Insert the power button board ribbon cable into the power button board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Apply pressure to the length of the power button board ribbon cable to adhere it to the display enclosure.